This is Tharian with iReveal Technologies. Today, I would like to give an overview of energy management systems in general, and then more specifically, iReveal's energy management system product, iRev EMS. Let's start with why you would want to manage your energy. Well, basically, there are three reasons. The first and foremost, it helps you to reduce your operating expense. If you look at your operating cost today, depending on which industry you are in, your utility cost could contribute from 15% to 60% of your total operating cost. Now, this component of operating cost is oftentimes the fastest growing component. It is also the most controllable cost, unlike some of the other cost elements such as labor or material. Utility cost includes all the energy sources that you would require to manufacture your goods or to deliver your services. This could be your electricity cost, your diesel cost, your compressed air cost from your boilers, etc. Another reason why you would want to manage energy is to be more regulatory compliant. Depending on the industry, you may have to abide by various guidelines such as PAT guidelines or ISO 50001, or carbon credits, and so on. With managing energy, you're also facilitating a more sustainable development, reducing your carbon footprint and greenhouse gas emissions. Okay, now that we have established that you want to manage energy, what is the process of managing energy? Well, remember the old saying, you cannot manage what you don't measure. So a fundamental aspect of managing energy is to measure energy usage. Now, these are the four steps related to energy management process. You start with the planning to set energy objectives, targets, and processes and data points to measure. Then you start measuring your energy consumption and various energy related attributes. Next step is analyzing the data that you have measured. And the last step is acting based on that analysis. A question that comes to our mind is, how much can I possibly save? Well, that depends on how well you're managing your energy usage today and which industry you are. Research has shown that if you have an energy management system that lets users become more accountable and aware of their energy usage, just the behavioral changes alone could result in 5% of energy reduction. Now, this is without incurring any additional capital expense. Now, if you have the budget to invest in energy efficient equipments, or if you invest in process changes or retrofits, then the potential for energy savings are much higher. Let's go into iRev's energy management system. This is a cloud-based application. It can get data automatically from smart meters or communication capable energy meters, also from pressure or temperature sensors that are communication capable. The data could come from multiple sources, multiple locations. You could also have data that gives a context to your energy information, such as data from an ERP system for production or from a building management system. Data from manual meters could also be fed in through a mobile app. Now, once all the data comes in, the iRev EMS system does the analysis, groups the data so that it is presented in actionable reports. iRev EMS can be tailored to three types of users, three profiles. To a division head, iRev EMS could provide information such as cost benefit analysis related to a change in your process. It could give an overview of issue resolution status with the possibility of drill down. In the case of a field personnel, iRev EMS can give a real-time status of energy information from various strategic points in your distribution network. It can give supply-demand information issue reporting and tracking, power quality analysis, and so on. iRev EMS can also be used by an energy user or a tenant to get information about the account, what was the cost, what was the bill, the payment history, and so on. So to summarize, iRev EMS system helps you with automatic data capture from smart meters. It provides a centralized monitoring of assets and sections. It helps you to be proactive with issues and with root cause analysis. It facilitates effective targeting of energy consumption and cost allocation. It helps with improved operations and various kinds of analysis. And finally, it facilitates energy auditing and statutory compliance. That concludes my presentation of iReveal's iRev Energy Management System. For more information, please check our website www.ireveal.in. Thank you.